I will be flying Tello today. It's pretty windy and I will fly it without the gas, and I see how it handles and upload all the videos without color grading, just straight from the camera. The drone just flew into there, right next to that.
Right next to that tree.
So now we're gonna see if we can find it. We have to cross this and see. Let's go and see how lucky we are. So I took off the drone and it just flew off. We're trying to find it. I came down to do a review about the Tello. It's pretty windy, so 15k an hour, and it just went off like the first time that I turned it on, and it was gone. Shoo! Invisible anymore. Can't even find it. Ooh. Okay. Probably that's the end of Tello's life. And just flew away and we can't find it. We look for it everywhere. So you know what? Maybe it's not meant for it. Let's see here. Right one. Not like. We have been looking for it everywhere for the last 10 to 15 minutes. It's nowhere to be seen, so it's time that we just say, you know, goodbye Tello. See you next time. If anyone is lucky enough to come into this bush, they may find you, or you may be friends to some snake out here, because I know there is snakes for sure here. And the zoo is just right next to us.
A few moments later.
Ah, there it is. Found it. Oh. Alright, baby. Let's get out of here. Alright, let's go do some review if it's working. Well, we were looking for the drone was still on and it ran out of power, and we don't have any extra battery to keep flying, so we are using the power bank to keep charging. While we were waiting for the drone to charge up, we thought of a way to attach a mobile lens to the drone and see if we could get a wider angle. So we picked up a mobile joystick and also a lacquer band. However, we were unable to take off the drone because there is a lot of weight at the front. So we found tiny little metal and a wood. We attached that at the back of the drone using the lacquer band, so that we will be able to have a similar weight on both sides. Because this lens is not designed for the drone, every time I try taking off, there is a little bit of dust getting between the two lenses and making the footage look not so sharp.